Hello! Welcome back to Buhay OFW Real Life Conversation. Ako po si Kuya Tony, your OFW mentor. Ay, another topic naman ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Well, for today's episode, we're gonna talk about OFW successes, diba? Paano mo ba malalaman na successful ka as an OFW? It doesn't matter kung may millions ka, or marami kang property, but the most important is how you started your success. There are 5 victory bells na para sa akin, yun yung sign na successful ka as an OFW. What are those? Listen to this. Number 1. Numero 1, kapag na-promote ka na sa work, your first promotion, the very first one. Why I call it a success? It's not easy out of millions of OFW na ma-promote sa isang work. When you got your work promotion, bukod sa income na tataas sa'yo, na-conquer mo na kung paano ma-recognize at paano mag-go to the ladder of career pathway ng company mo. So, it's a milestone. Number 2, victory bell mo is yung first property purchase mo. It's very important na magkaroon ka ng at least one property purchase mo as an OFW. Ano ba na-purchase mo as an OFW? A land? A house? Hindi ito yung mga yung mga Louis Vuitton bags or iPhone 17 kasi para sa akin luxury yon. Real properties or at least a property that will probably give you a yield of income in the future. So number 3 is your first savings, 100,000 pesos. Wow, bakit 100,000 pesos? Para 6 figures, 'di ba? Hindi mo siya gagalawin. Yun ang parang emergency fund mo. Or yan na rin ang iyong secret millionaire account. Dapat lahat ng OFW may secret millionaire account. Yan ang hindi ko nagawa nung bata pa. So sana sa mga bagong OFW, make it a goal first. Savings na 100,000 pesos. At least natutunan mo kung paano mag-save at paano mo malagay yung yung money mo on the right track. Number 4. Ano ba yung ating victory bell number 4? Travel. Yan, kapag nakapag-travel ka na, especially kapag nakapunta ka na sa ibang lugar like, maybe Thailand, or UK, or maybe US trip, or sabihin natin yung vacation mo, yung first vacation mo, victory bell yan, ibig sabihin natapos mo yung contract mo, and you're taking vacation, na paid vacation ka. Yan ang maganda sa Middle East, di ba? So, at the same time, self-gratification na rin yan. Yan ang parang blowout mo sa sarili mo. Don't blow out yourself all the time. Ang vacation ang blowout mo. Pwede ka rin mag-travel sa Dubai, first travel. Kasi matututunan mo na rin paano mag-budget ng travels mo. Number 5, na victory bells mo. Ano kaya number 5 natin? Business venture. Ayan kahit 100,000 or 1,000 dirham or 1 million, doesn't matter. Basta business venture. Marami akong nakitang OFW, mga kaibigan ko. Nagkaroon sila ng rental business, mga accommodation. Meron naman nagkaroon ng cafe. Meron nagkaroon ng restaurant sa Dubai. Meron nagkaroon ng cafe sa Philippines. Yan, kumbaga, whether Philippines or here, kasi dyan mo matututunan ang multiplying your money. An OFW should know how to multiply the money, no? Not only to spend. Yung medyo, yung first 4 is just how to spend money, di ba? Pero itong number 5, how to multiply the money. Yung sales, cost, projections, matututunan mo yun. So that's it. That's our Buhay OFW lessons for this episode. The 5 victory bells of an OFW. Ano nga ba uli yun? Let's review. Number 1, promotion at work. Kasi it will teach you how to go with the career pathway in the future. Number 2, your first property purchase. Why is it important? Kasi matututunan mo mag-invest at the early time. Diba? Number 3, it is very important, your secret millionaire account. Simulan pa lang yun hanggang maging 1 million. 100,000 pesos, 6 figures. Ayan, bongga na. Number 4, it is very important also self-gratification, travel. Whether it's your vacation, paid travel yun paid ng company. Vacation or going ka sa Thailand, again, victory bells yun. Hindi lahat nakakapag-travel. And of course, very important, number 5, business venture. Whether it's a small business or big, or whether it's in Dubai, or whether it's in the Philippines, as long as under your business. So that's all for today. Sana natutunan nyo po. I'd like to say hi to Jasper Parolan. I think na-achieve niya na itong 5 victory bells na to eh. So Jasper, please keep on commenting. I'll say hi to Gracie. I'd like to say hi to Miss Dali. Thank you very much. Irene Gasis from the Philippines. And like say hi to Romer Carlos at saka kay Sam Baranta. These are OFW that I know before. Please keep commenting, ask your questions, and at the same time, dagdagan nyo pa yung victory bells natin. Tapos comment natin next, no? Welcome to Buhay OFW, Real Life Conversation. Ito po ang inyong OFW mentor, Kuya Tony. Bye-bye!